Hello, everyone, and welcome to eLearning. Um, Feels like forever since we were last together, so I just wanted to take a moment to so you could actually see me, say hi, and talk about what e-learning is going to be like in this class. Um, the main thing to remember is just do your best with this. It's not a normal school day. It's not what we would do if I saw you face to face. You're going to be learning mainly through videos of me teaching, where you're just going to see my screen and not my face, and then doing problems either on Delta Math or via worksheets, or maybe some stuff with the Pearson Realize, different ways that you're going to do problems and be able to show me that you can do the work still. And we're going to make our best effort to make it not a big burden on you. I don't want it to cause too much trouble. And if you ever need me or Mrs. Musa, please do not hesitate to email us and we will get back to you um, soon. Probably not day 1 or 2. I will set up a Google Meet for a time where you guys can drop by and ask questions or just log in and be able to say hi and see some of our friends from class maybe we haven't seen in a while. You're free to make those groups up on your own. But the most important thing I want you to remember during this time is I'm going to do everything I can to help you be successful. Try your best, ask questions when you need help, and make the best of this situation. I hope to see you guys in person again before the end of the school year, but nothing's guaranteed at this point. So be well, and I will be talking to you guys again soon.